What's up, sisters? Welcome back to my channel. I got a new wig. It came from Elvahairwigs.com and I haven't taken it out the package. This is how it came. And these were just the things included, so I am going to show you guys. It came with 2 tan stocking caps, the wig caps, stocking caps. It came with an elastic band, 2 nail files, and it came with instructions on how to care for the hair and just different information about the company itself. So, oh, and it also came with eyelashes, but of course I do not use these. I prefer, last but not least, the wig. Usually when I get wigs, the wigs are 13 by 4, so you get like pretty much this much parting space versus a 13 by 6 where it's a little bit more. So this wig is said to be a 13 by 6, so we shall see. It has a few strands that'll shed. This wig is really pretty. I can't wait to see how she looked, and turns out I don't like the color of the lace. It's medium brown. It's like an ashy color on my skin. This wig does not look like it has been bleached, so I will be getting bleached tomorrow. The wig came with hair combs and adjustable straps. There's 1 comb in the back, a comb right here, and then 2 on the side. Because it's just so much that you can do with these things, and you can change it up anytime. Like, why wouldn't you? Why would you not? I'm gonna tweeze a little bit more and match it to my hairline. But this is the wig, guys. I'm gonna customize her, and then I'll come back. The wig is pre-plucked, but this is usually how I do my. You can still kind of see a line of demarcation, so that's what I'll be working with. This is going to be so cute, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I said I was going to tent the lace and do all that other extra stuff, but I just went ahead and cut like this side ear part off. And I plugged it, and I just took some moves and made some baby hairs real fast. But yeah, this is what she looks like. I brushed her out, so these are not the curls anymore. It's just brushed out. But I can't wait to see how this looks wet. I will be doing an updated video soon. I know you can see the ashiness. You can see the ashiness, and this is what I'm going to fix. So make sure y'all are looking at this ashiness, because this ashiness will be no longer, okay? So yeah, overall I really like this hair. I like how it is shaped. I just really love this hair so far. I just really want to show y'all the parting space on this. I know you guys can't see it really good because it needs to be like tweezed, but the part goes like, I don't know if you can see. When it's wet, I'll make sure to show you again, but it goes like way back there. So yes, bitch, yes. We need some parting space, because you know what's the point of a frontal if you can't, you know, be diverse with it. Hello. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye, girl.